character and spirit of Hedland Senior High School, it's a really exciting place to be. There's a real sense of energy, innovation and opportunity, I suppose. There's a sense of real identity and inclusiveness in the school population. We've got somewhere in the order of around about 60 nationalities represented in the school. We've got a variety of engaging programs.
We have 6 really experienced staff within the arts, and I think that is the reason why our arts programs are so successful, is that the hands-on nature of the programs and just so embedded in the curriculum. I think without those talented staff that we have, we wouldn't be where we're at, hence the success of our students in programs like Rocker Stedford and YoFest.
We get kids to apply to our program and once they get accepted, we give them experience and skill development in the 4 disciplines of dance, music, drama and visual arts. We're very lucky to have the Matt Dang Cultural Centre, which is a state-of-the-art theatre. It gives them a place to perform. They've got lighting, they've got a full stage setup, they've got curtaining, they've got the green room and backstage.
Kicking goals and shooting goals programs here at Hedland High are designed to engage students, those that may not be engaged otherwise, in terms of increasing attendance and behaviour, positive behaviours at the school, and basically uses sport as a vehicle, I suppose, to develop each and every one of our students here in our programs. They develop their own values and attitudes through different projects that we conduct, and I suppose they leave with quite a comprehensive repertoire of skills that they can use back into our community here, become really positive role models and great citizens for our community here in Hedland.
Here at Hedland Senior High School in our home economics program, our focus is on hospitality and teaching students basic skills from Year 8 to Year 12 that will help lead them into a hospitality environment, which is where the focus for all of these students lies.
The Year 10 Vegetable Garden program is a program that is run for the Year 10 home economics students. Basically with the students, we don't want them to come into class and take it for granted what's in front of them. We want them to see the process that's involved to actually grow their own vegetables and to then use them in class. We've been able to see students that take ownership of their own vegetable garden, and in that they actually teach other students what to do. So some students actually take students under their wing and show them just elements and how to do different things, and also feel a sense of success when they're able to actually watch the garden, come into class and use their vegetables in their actual cooking.
The FET program is a Port Hedland Education Partnership. It's a joint venture between the Polly Farmer Foundation and BHP. It's a Follow the Dream program for aspiring young Indigenous students.
We pretty much study the subjects that we have at school. When I do have a problem, I do ask the tutors, and it helps me understand more of what it is.
At the end of this program, we would like to see that the children go on to either further academic positions or get good jobs around the town.
It opens up a lot of opportunities for when you finish school. They apply you for jobs within the Pilbara. So you could be working for BHP, you can have a traineeship or an apprenticeship, which is really good because not only do they pay for it, it gives you the ability to work where you want to be.
So the UWA Aspire programme is a programme that's run through the University of Western Australia to encourage students who would not normally think about university as an option. Because of the isolation within the Pilbara and the area, a lot of the students have no idea what university is or is like to be there.
We flew down to Perth and we got to see all the campuses, took us around the unis and showed us all the different courses you could study and how you could get into the courses.
All parents want the very best opportunities and outcomes for their children. Some parents choose to pursue that through the private school system in Perth and other regional areas. We were one such family, and our eldest son headed off to boarding school in Year 8, 9 and 10. He returned to complete Year 11 and 12 at Hedland Senior High School, and very rapidly the confident, outgoing, happy young man surfaced. The best is not necessarily elsewhere, and we have certainly found that in our family's situation. Your child or children will and do receive a fantastic education at Hedland Senior High School.